It is an immense privilege to invite the esteemed academic advisor of Sai Vinayak International School, Shri Nityanand Jaina sir, to inspire our young minds with his valuable words. Having served with distinction as the principal of DAB Group of Institutions, he brings with him decades of pedagogical wisdom and administrative brilliance. Sir, please.
A colorful good evening to one and all those who are present over here. Respected President of this mega function, the mentor, the chief guest, the chief speaker, director of Sai Vinayak International School, and the dignitaries on the dais, and most respectable parents, my colleague, and dear loving children. It is indeed a great moment for which the children have worked really hard, and they really wait for this auspicious day to encase their hidden talents in the different field as well as in the cultural program. I know that the parents have come over here to witness the performance of their own children. They will be very happy to see their children in costume and performing in front of them. So my earnest request to one and all not to leave the function till the function is concluded. And moreover, I request the entire august audience to maintain appropriate discipline and encourage the students with great apples after the performance. My loving children, I have been associated with you from the beginning, and I always get opportunity to share my views. And today, as the annual day, I should say that do not confine the education only to the textbooks, examination paper, because there is much beyond this. There is a great horizon, and you have to work hard and beyond these things. Children, yesterday in the evening in the school premises, when the children were praying, I asked them, why do you pray? Many of the children, they simply kept mum. So today, in general, I like to say always that you have firm belief in the God. And always be respectful, courteous to your parents. They are living God. The parents, I tell you a small story. There was a temple, and the person who made the temple, he told that I am so rich, so I could build up this temple. And at the same time, he did not pay proper respect to his parents. The temple started bending down, showing the thing that unless you do not show proper respect to your parents, you cannot achieve anything in this world. And another advice, I must say, you be a dreamer. Dream forever. One who dreams, he dreams forever. One who toils, dies in a day. Friends, nobody knows what you will be. Nobody knows that Dr. Abdul Kalam will be the missile man, the President of India, Bharat Ratna, and the whole world will acknowledge his scientific temperament and talent. And he was born in a poor family. So in the similar way, always try to think positively and listen. Many of the students who are in the adolescent period, try to ask your conscience, whatever things you are doing, it is good or bad. So the conscience you will permit you and guide you in the proper form and to achieve success. And my request to the parents, do not always visualize with the percentage of marks being secured by the children. Teach them to be a good human being. Ask them, and please, those who are staying in the hostel, that's a separate thing. But the children who are the daily commuters, my request, honest request to all the parents, try to spend some time with them to assess the strength as well as the weakness of your children. No money can substitute the time which you will share, which you will spend with your children. Whether you can assist them in the education or that does not matter, but your petting, your soothing words will definitely enlighten them and encourage them. I do not want to be just to create some kind of constant between the cultural program, but my sincere request to the management, within a very short span of time, the management of Sai Vinayak International School have tried the best to create wonderful infrastructure, though some infrastructure are yet to be strengthened, because without appropriate infrastructure, it may not be possible to achieve the desired results which we had dreamed. And I congratulate Sri Manoj Kumar Padi, who could, by dint of his hard work, today Prachinagar and Samraipur has become, the place, Sai Vinayak International School, Residential Higher Secondary School, Sai Vinayak Degree College. All these, the institutions are the creation of his imagination, hard work, and it is the responsibility of all those who are associated with this great family to see that his dreams should come to the reality. And again, I tell you that the education, the character building is not the work, not the responsibility which is only confined to the teaching staff. Though the teaching staff of Sai Vinayak, they are working really hard to strengthen the academics, the cultural temperament, and this will today is the appropriate time which will be displayed in front of you. So once again, on this auspicious occasion, I will also request all the staff members of Sai Vinayak International School that you rise up to the occasion and try to fulfill the uncherished, the dreams that which the management of Sai Vinayak institution is visualizing in the future days to come. Thank you all.